Elegant ways to support equivalence equality in Python classes. When writing custom classes, it is often important to allow equivalence by means of the equals and not equal operators. In Python, this is made possible by implementing the __eq__n__any__ special methods, respectively. The easiest way I found to do this is the following method. Do you know of more elegant means of doing this? Do you know of any particular disadvantages to using the above method of comparing __dict__s? Note a bit of clarification: when __eq__n_any_ are undefined, you'll find this behavior. That is, A equals B evaluates to false because it really runs A is B, a test of identity, i.e., is it the same object as B. When __eq__n_any_ are defined, you'll find this behavior, which is the one we're after.
You don't have to override both. Can override only. This will make an implication on the result of equals, not equals, is lower than, is greater than, and so on. Is test for object identity. This means A is B will be true in the case when A and B both hold the reference to the same object. In Python, you always hold a reference to an object in a variable, not the actual object. So essentially, for A is B to be true, the objects in them should be located in the same memory location. How, and most importantly, why would you go about overriding this behavior? Edit. I didn't know was removed from Python 3, so avoid it.
The way you describe is the way I've always done it. Since it's totally generic, you can always break that functionality out into a mixin class and inherit it in classes where you want that functionality.
You need to be careful with inheritance. Check types more strictly, like this. Besides that, your approach will work fine. That's what special methods are there for.
Not a direct answer, but seemed relevant enough to be tacked on, as it saves a bit of verbose tedium on occasion. Cut straight from the docs. Functools.total_ordering, CLS. Given a class defining one or more rich comparison ordering methods, this class decorator supplies the rest. This simplifies the effort involved in specifying all of the possible rich comparison operations. The class must define one of __lt___, __lu__, __gt__, or __ge___. In addition, the class should supply an __eq___ method. New in version 2.7.
Schlosshotel, diesen Verein